Ano ulit meron tayo today?
1 p.m. dear, ano tawag dito, first show. Then, 2 meetings, isang 3 p.m., isang 4:30. Tapos, yung ano na, fashion show na last.
Earrings are by me. Designed by me. Love it. So romantic. Grabe the details. Grabe the way they style. It's like you feel like they're always like in a wind-blown effect, even if they're not. It's so romantic.
Ikaw yun.
Parang ako lang. We're going to our meeting.
Oh, you're wearing your new jacket!
Yes! Guys, these are all Chinese brands and it's so nice to discover. Tapos, yung prices nila sobrang ganda. Is panalo. Murayta Harrison Ford. Yes! Make it a heart shape. One carb of the day. I was invited to meet a designer, si Logan.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Pabi. Sabi ko, kala ko pa bebe. Sabi ko, pero it's Pabi. And I remember, long ago, I saw may bag na parang saksakan ng kuryente na bag. So, ay, kakaiba naman to. So, I didn't know that was Pabi. And then when I was introduced to them by my agent, I really loved yung, gusto ko yung ganun yung kakaiba, yung hindi siya laging nakikita.
You can play?
We can actually like.
Wow! Ang ganda!
I actually started the brand for 8 years now. Me and my business partner, we're actually classmates too. Maybe we can actually work together on some like artistic, very artsy bags.
Nice.
Yes, and because he has a bag factory background.
Already.
We have something very fun,
Yeah.
but also we have something very commercial.
Like, I think I want to buy for myself. So, binigyan nila ang discounted. Actually, binigay nila halos sa akin. So, pinost ko siya. Tapos, nagulat na lang ako na biglang nagkakaubusan. Tapos, parang hindi pa natapos yung one day. Nagulat ako, ubus na siya online. So, yung isang bag na sample bag, kasi meron din silang parang showroom na puro sample bags. Malaking-malaki siyang Pabi. Gusto ko talaga yun, kaya lang di siya for sale kasi binigay na sa akin. So, natuwa naman ako. And then nakakatuwa is because I feel like it's an opportunity that I am also like, parang personal shopper din ako. Nakaka-discover ako ng mga ibang brands na babagay at pwede sa lahat. Hindi namin namalayan na see-through pala yung suot ko. So, Sizit pansit. Nag-work. They are stressed, but I am not. We are now here for Susan Fang, and they are an amazing brand. They're known globally. Yun na nga, Susan Fang. And she was recently worn by Anne Hathaway for their red carpet Devil Wears Prada premiere in Shanghai. So I was so thrilled because they were so nice to me. You know the difference here is even if you could do your own layout, humiga ka man sa sahig, parang okay lang sa kanila because all of them are doing it. And in Europe, I wouldn't do it because I'd be too shy. Pero dito parang, higa, take the moment.
Where from?
Philippines. Grabe sila magpabigay ng PR kit. Tapos, you want to keep the dress? Yes. Ako din sabi, no. Tapos they have, ay nako, ang galing. So, itong show na to, sobrang ang ganda, tas ang sasayahin ng mga very florals, and then, basta iba sila, iba yung aesthetic nila, pero it still works. Tapos umulan, pero wala nang problema kasi lahat kami binigyan ng umbrella.
We gotta go.
Oh, we gotta go?
You guys bring the umbrella?
Of course. Tanong mo ilan hawak ni Iza. Dear, kumusta yung show?
Super ganda. Layer, texture. I mean, again, she's all about maximalism because at the end of the day, it's a personality. So personality is an equivalent to a lifestyle. You understand? So we're going to the next shoot.
Yes. Hello.
nababayaran. Actually, hulugan ko pala. Baka naman may kapalit si China na todo. Wala talaga.